in this question, use it on me as well.
To proceed to this station.
I will do that. I will do that.
Look here. You want to answer?
No, she can't.
No, look here. Alright. This one has it.
You're not in uniform. Don't approach me, sir. You're not in uniform. Don't approach me. You're not in uniform, sir.
I'm gonna arrest you.
What? Sir, you're assaulting me, sir. No, the police tell me to go around at the station. I'm going to say me go around here. Sir, you're arresting me, sir.
The professionalism of the police has been brought under sharp focus once more after a video surfaced online of a police in a tussle with a civilian. This is renowned a call for how the police deal with citizens, especially when it becomes confrontational. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. We'll be right back after the break with the details to come. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. If it's the first time you're watching, please do the golden rule and subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with the latest report. So what I want to talk about today is the Jamaica Constabulary Force and the powers that are given to them by the government as they have the due care in order to protect, serve and reassure. But some of the times I believe that they really execute their duties in an unprofessional manner and sometimes too excessive. Now with that said, it seems as if there is a law for the wealthy people and a law for the less fortunate based on your financial standings from time to time, and we have seen that played out in more than one instances. Now we have seen a number of videos being circulated on social media with police officers in tussle with civilians for simple situations that could have been dealt with differently. Now there is this video I have queued up for you in which I'm about to do a review for this. But all I can say is that the police are there to carry out their duty. For me personally, I don't have any personal vendetta against the police. But some of the times I believe that they could deal with situation more professional instead of letting it escalate to the point where it becomes physical. Now I want to review this video with you right here, right now on Links 007 TV, and let you just have a take of what I'm talking about or where I'm coming from in relation to this report. But the police officers, they're out there, they're carrying out their duties. And I'm not going to say all police officers are like this. You do have some wonderful police officers, some police officers that I personally would have been in contact with over the years that I've been on earth. I really make some great friends in the police force, and we really shared some real fun moments as well, especially in my younger days. But with that said, we really have to try to find a way and means of dealing with certain situations when they arise, instead of letting it escalating to the point where it becomes physical and then it's a case of who will win the actual outcome of the situation. So with all of that said, let me just bring you over now to my screen in which we're about to analyze a video that recently took place in Osherias between a civilian and a police officer. Let's go over to that right now.
So what you say is your name? What you say is your name? What you say is your name, sir? What is your name, sir? What is your name, sir? Good morning, sir. My name is Troy Gibbons. I'm here in Osherias. I'm here in Ocherius. Mobi me live. See me vehicle here. Mobi me live. Me nah run no taxi. No yellow sign no the here so. No yellow line. Bus stop the business place. Me go buy a cup of tea. Cup of tea. See there? Me and my wife. Town me a come from. Cup of tea and something. And there was a beamer man parking here obstructing the traffic. Them not doing nothing at all. And because I'm a taxi man, that is why this man. What is your name, sir? What is your name, sir? What is your name, sir? Corporal Williams. Okay. What's the purpose, sir?
Sir, I'm gonna issue a ticket for parking 40 feet within a bus stop. That's what I'm gonna do.
So why you never ticket the other man a while ago?
Look here.
Why you didn't ticket the BMW man that was there? Anyone was here when the Beamer man was here? Were you here? Anyone was here when the Beamer man a black off here, sir? Was anyone here when the Beamer man blacking off here, sir? What? We can't back with one another. Eh? We can't back with one another. Why him never ticket the Beamer man? Me go use the business place, sir. The business place me go use. So why him never ticket the Beamer man? We park long way, sir. Eh? Eh? Why him never do that? Where you see it? Okay. Why you never do the Beamer man that? Me tired of uno now, man. Tired of uno now. Me tired of uno now. Why you never ticket the Beamer man? Troy Gibbons my name. Why you never ticket the Beamer man? Or pressure the Beamer man? You tell him to go, you not even talk to him. Once you see who the person was, you just allow him to drive off. Me stand up right at the doorway and watch him, you know. Me stand up right at the doorway. Right at the doorway and me see everything will take place. You allow the Beamer man to drive off, so you're supposed to give me the same privilege. The same privilege you give the Beamer man, me supposed to have that privilege. If you are going to ticket him, you ticket me. If you are going to ticket me, ticket him. You can't want to ticket me because he's a Beamer man and he's a taxi operator. Which me not even an operator taxi. Me and my wife are go about with business, we stop to get a cup of tea. And the man want to come tell me, say, I don't see a sign where say no parking. You only don't park at where a yellow line is. And there may a white line. See the bus stop there? It is my vehicle. Huh? It is Troy Gibbons.
Sir, now I said the last time you documents.
Why you want to give me a ticket when you didn't ticket the Beamer man?
I said, look here.
Yeah.
The police have discretion with me, so you can't.
But you use the discretion on him, so why don't you use the discretion on me as well? What you mean suppose? What you mean suppose? So why did you use the discretion on that man? Because he's a BMW man or a police officer like yourself? So why you never do that, man? The same thing. And that's the question me ask you about. That's the question I'm asking. You say you use your discretion. Me understand that. Use your discretion. I ask, me beg him. Say, boss, Mobi me a go. Me stop and get a cup of tea, me and my wife. Me I beg you a chance. The man never beg more and gun in vehicle and him gone. You use your discretion then, why can't you use your discretion now? That's the question I'm asking you. Why can't you use your discretion, sir? Why can't you use your discretion, sir? Me not take no ticket today, so you have to arrest me. See him like how you give that man in discretion, use it on me as well.
To proceed to this station.
I will do that. I will do that.
Look here, your wife can, sir?
No, she can't.
No, look here. Alright, it's one message.
You're not in uniform. Don't approach me, sir. You're not in uniform. Don't approach me. You're not in uniform, sir.
I'm gonna arrest you.
What? Sir, you're assaulting me, sir. No, the police tell me to go around at the station. I'm saying I go around here. Sir, you're arresting me, sir. Stop.
So that was the video that made rounds on social media recently with a taxi operator who was not on active duty at the time. He was intercepted by the police after he parked at a business establishment just in order to get himself and his wife a cup of tea. Now you see how this simple situation simple escalates just because of the double standards that people look on as it relates to the law and how the police deal with certain situations. Based on the video, you could hear the individual stating in the video that he was not the only one that was parking at that specific point when the police came on the scene. He said that there was actually a BMW vehicle that was there as well, and the police allowed that vehicle to drove off, and then he in turn, on approaching his vehicle, was intercepted by the police, and the police wanted to give him a ticket for the similar thing that the previous individual would have done before he left. Now when we look on this video, we've seen how this situation escalate so seriously. We're not sure what really transpired thereafter after the phone was actually cut off, based on the fact that another police intervened in the situation and tried to place this man under arrest. I hope that I will find some update to bring to you in relation to this, but this just goes to show you how the police can be very unfair in the execution of their duties. And with this police officer, I believe that if you had used your discretion on that individual, you could have used your discretion in this initial case as well. But as it relates to the whole entire situation that played out, it could have been dealt with differently. It shouldn't have even escalated to the point where it becoming physical, to the point where another police had to intervene. And I'm not putting the blame game on the police, and I'm not blaming the taxi operator as well. This is where we need to look at situations such as these and try to see how these situations could have been dealt with differently, because this was just a simple misunderstanding. This was just a simple issue that could have been sorted out differently. As the individual stated in the video, it was not a yellow line that was there, it was a white line. Even if it was a no parking zone, there was naturally a sign that state that it wasn't a no parking zone. This individual is from Montego Bay, is actually now in Ocho Rios. He would not have known all of this information. So I believe that the police could have just gave him a warning and just said to him that, you know that this is a no parking zone and you're not supposed to park here, considering the fact that he is not from the area. But this is how the police deal with citizens on a day-to-day basis, and these are some of the times that we are living in. And these are situations that at times escalate into physical confrontation, and most of the time this end up with someone getting hurt very seriously. But just drop it in the comment section though, let me know how you feel about this video, and do you believe that the police was fair in dealing with this taxi man? I look forward to hear your responses in the comment section. Have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV family.